Sankhu is located around 20 kilometers northeast of Nepal's capital, Kathmandu. Sankhu has a rich cultural history extending back to ancient times. It was a significant trading center along the old trade routes that connected Tibet to the Kathmandu Valley. The town's advantageous location made it a bustling hub for business, culture, and religious interchange. Sankhu's streets have been lined with traditional Newari buildings that include stunning wood carvings, stone sculptures, and pagoda-style roofs. The town is home to several well-preserved temples, shrines, and monasteries, in particular the renowned Bajrayogni temple, which draws pilgrims and visitors from all around. A wide variety of ethnic groups, including Brahmins, Tamangs, and Newars, live in Sankhu. The town's rich tapestry of culture, language, and history is enhanced by the contributions of each community. Festivals like the Bajrayogni and Biscuit Jatras are widely celebrated, bringing the community together for joyful celebration. Standing on a hill with magnificent views of the town below, the temple provides panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The temple honors the tantric deity Bajrayogni and is regarded as one of Nepal's holiest sites for pilgrims who practice Buddhism and Hinduism. The Bajrayogni temple is believed to have been built in Nepal during the 4th and 9th century AD, during the Licchavi dynasty. People to Bajrayogni temple often go by road from Kathmandu. The drive takes around an hour by car, depending on traffic. Once at Sankhu, the Bajrayogni temple is a short hike upward from the main town area. You can reach the temple by following signposts or asking locals for directions, or driving by car, which is about 2 kilometers from town. The road is well paved, but there are several sudden hairpin turns. Monkeys are commonly seen in and near the Bajrayogni temple. The temple lies between the lush vegetation and forested areas, making it a great habitat for monkeys. They are often seen frolicking in the trees, searching for food, or sitting around the temple. They are known for their vibrant behaviors and social activity, which may be fascinating to observe at times. Monkeys at the Bajrayogni temple are habituated to humans and may approach them in pursuit of food or attention. While some people love feeding or photographing the monkeys, it's essential to be careful and avoid provoking them, as they can become aggressive if they feel threatened. Monkeys can be considered holy creatures in Hindu traditions, and they are associated with certain deities, such as Hanuman in Hinduism. Therefore, certain followers may regard them with devotion, seeing them as auspicious emblems. The architecture of the Bajrayogni temple is a fascinating blend of traditional Nepali design features with tantric Buddhist symbolism. There are several important aspects and regions to explore at the Bajrayogni temple that might enhance the experience and allow you to appreciate its spiritual and cultural significance on a deeper level. The main temple buildings are constructed in the traditional Nepali pagoda style. It is characterized by multiple tiers of roofs that gradually reduce in size as they rise, ending in a pinnacle or finial at the top. This distinctive design is not only visually appealing, but it also represents a spiritual ascent to enlightenment. The temple's exterior and interior are sculptured with various stone carvings depicting guardian deities, divine beings, and mythical creatures. These sculptures serve both decorative and religious purposes, giving the temple a sense of holiness and devotion. The shikara, or spire, lies at the top of the temple's roof, above the central sanctum, representing the cosmic axis and the spiritual energy that penetrates the cosmos. The shikara is frequently decorated with metallic ornaments such as gold leaf, copper, or brass, which add grandeur and brilliance to the temple's appearance. The Golden Gate of the Bajrayogni temple is of particular significance as an emblem of reverence. True to its name, the Golden Gate is decorated with gold or gold-colored elements, creating an exquisite visual contrast with the surrounding architecture. The gate may include magnificent carvings, ornamental designs, and religious symbols in gold leaf or gold paint, giving it an elegant and majestic appearance. In Buddhist metaphors, gold symbolizes purity, enlightenment, and the brilliant attributes of the awakened mind. The use of gold on the gate represents the sacredness of the threshold it marks, encouraging devotees to approach with reverence and humility. The Golden Gate may exhibit elaborate architectural elements inspired of traditional Nepali and Newari design values. Carved woodwork, delicate metalwork, and complex carvings on the gate's front, which highlight the worker's abilities and craftsmanship. The Golden Gate is surrounded by sculptures or reliefs of guardian figures, divine things, or mythological creatures who serve as defenders and gatekeepers to the sacred area. These guardians signify power, knowledge, and spiritual protection, assisting devotees on their path of inner transformation. The area encircling the Golden Gate may serve as a focal point for rituals, offerings, and prayers performed by devotees and pilgrims. Flowers, incense, and butter lamps can be placed at the base of the gate to express devotion and petition to the divine. Crossing the Golden Gate is regarded as a sacred act, symbolizing the journey from ordinary existence to the sacred dimension of the temple. As you approach the gate, you may experience a sense of admiration and anticipation, knowing that you are about to enter an area infused with spiritual energy and divine power. The Bajrayogni temple is open year-round. However, particular seasons may provide a more enjoyable experience due to weather and cultural activities. Spring is regarded as one of the best times to visit Nepal. During this season, the weather is often mild and pleasant, with blossoming flowers and lush vegetation adding to the scenic attractiveness of the landscape. Furthermore, several cultural festivals and religious events take place during the spring, allowing people to experience traditional rituals and festivities. Another popular season to visit is in the autumn. The weather is usually clear and dry, making it perfect for outdoor activities. Autumn also corresponds with significant Hindu festivals like Darshan and Tihar, which are celebrated with great enthusiasm. Ultimately, the best time to visit the temple depends on your preferences and interests. If you adore moderate weather and exciting events, spring and autumn may be the best times to come. However, if you prefer peaceful and don't mind milder temperatures, winter can be an enjoyable time to visit. I kindly ask that you all subscribe to my channel, Into the Unknown, if you haven't already. I hope you are enjoying the video, and don't hesitate to leave a comment. Your feedbacks are highly appreciated. Kindly give this channel a like, share, and remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching.